Welcome, SATS geniuses, to question number 26. And we've got two mixed numbers here. Remember, a mixed number is a whole number with a fraction on the end of it. So 1 1/5 is one whole number plus 1/5, so that's a mixed number. And two whole ones plus 1/10, so that's also a mixed number. Now, what I'm going to do here is we're going to set out this like a column method. So I'm going to put the two whole numbers on top of each other. So we've got 1 over the top of 2. And then I'll put the two fractions over the top of one another. So I've got 1/5 over the top of 1/10. And we're basically going to add this together. Now, you can't add fractions together until they've got a common denominator. So we basically need a common denominator for 5 and 10. Now, you might spot quite quickly that you could just double the 5 and double the 1 to get an equivalent fraction out of 10. So if you double both of these numbers, you're going to get double the 5 is 10 and double the 1 is 2. So we've got 2/10. So we've now got an equivalent fraction to 1/5, and that is 2/10. So now we've changed the 1/5 into 2/10. We basically don't need the 1/5 anymore, so we can just cross that out. So instead of adding 1/5 to 1/10, we're now adding 2/10 to 1/10. So we're basically doing 2/10 plus 1/10. 2/10 plus 1/10 is 3/10, and then 1 whole one plus 2 whole ones is 3 whole ones. So the final answer is 3 whole ones and 3/10, which of course is a mixed number because it has a whole number, which is the 3, and a fraction part, which is the 3/10.